Hello and welcome to the Birmingham Post Business Bulletin on Friday, March the 5th. I'm Graham Brown. The West Midlands has served up some good news for the finance industry this morning. Coventry Building Society has revealed massive surge in profits. The society made a pre-tax profit of £56.3 million in 2009 compared to £26.4 million in 2008. The Coventry, which is the UK's third largest society, said the results show that it was in a very strong position despite global unrest. It's a strong show of independence at a time when others in the market have been merging to improve their stature, like Stafford Society Britannia, which merged with Cooperative Financial Services. You can read more about this story elsewhere on birminghampost.net. In other news, the region has had a timely reminder that while the country is coming out of recession, times remain tough after 2 food companies went into administration. Nearly 40 jobs have been put at risk after administrators were called into Oriental Delight Food Service and Vision Seed Foods in Redditch. MCR is currently seeking a buyer for the businesses, which have combined turnovers of almost £30 million. 2 sister companies based elsewhere have also been caught up in the collapse, which puts another 111 jobs at risk. Administrators said that the company was still facing adverse market conditions. Elsewhere, the world's biggest advertising group, WPP, said that there were signs of improvement for the sector. However, the global company saw profits fall by 11% to £663 million. Its chief executive, Martin Sorrell, admitted last year the firm had been staring into the abyss. And the president of Toyota has been seeking to boost morale after the car maker was forced to recall millions of vehicles. Akio Toyoda donned a worker's uniform and apologised for workers, saying that the company had been growing too quickly. That's all from us today. Have a great weekend and join us again next week for more breaking business news.